In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into elements on Canva. It's super straightforward and easy to do, and it will make your Canva project look so much more professional. So stick around, watch to the end, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So I'm in Canva now, and the first thing you need to do is get yourself a board like this. You can do any size, whatever you want. I'm just doing a square one. And once we've opened that up, I'm going to go over to the left where it says elements. And inside the elements tab, I'm going to type in frames. Now, you can see here it says frames here, and it's got like a little sky with some grass. You want to click, these are the ones you want to look for. You want to click see all. So from here, what we can do is we can scroll through, and these are all the different elements or the frame elements that you can use for your image. So I'm just going to keep it simple. There was one up here I saw, it looked quite cool. I'm going to put this up here. I'm going to drag it in. Now you can actually resize if you want to with this and put it where you want to. So now is for adding the image into it. You're going to want to click on the tab that says uploads, and you can upload a file here. I've got a different video on that if you want to watch that. But upload your file here and it should show up here. So I'm going to get this cool photo of a guy with a car, which I made on Midjourney, and I'm going to just drag this in here. So what you want to do is you want to drag it over the top of the element you've just made, drop it in, and you can see, boom, it's now been cut to the shape of that element, which is pretty cool. You can go ahead and do this as many times as you want, and there's a ton of different settings that you can play with here. Once you've done that, you can also resize it, which is also quite cool. But that's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.